3 hours because you're just so excited? Or what?
I don't know. I just kept on waking up every 3 hours. It was weird.
Well, they say a REM cycle is 90 minutes, so you're like waking up every 2 REM cycles, which is probably a good thing. And I just made that up. I don't really know for sure, but I think it sounds right. Just had a good sleep, I guess. Okay. Oops, we're still frozen. Okay. We are asked to label the bases of the trapezoid. Do you guys remember which ones are the bases? Are they these guys?
Yes.
Or these ones?
No.
These ones. These ones.
I was right.
Okay. So we can call this guy a base. And we can label like B1, because that's what we're going to match our formula. And here's a base. And we'll say like B2. Base 1, base 2.
What is this one? No, what page is this in there?
Oh, I found
It says trapezoids.
Trapezoids.
Now why don't you guys draw in your height? It's going to kind of come through your trapezoid like that and make that right angle. We can label that as our height. So the formula for the area of this trapezoid looks a lot scarier than it is. It's not hard at all. But what it is half times your height times the sum of your bases. So you're going to take your bases, add them together, times your height, divided by 2. It looks gross, but it's not gross. It's pretty easy. It's a good day.
See, a year ago, I would think that's scary.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of letters, and then there's like little numbers. We don't see that a lot, but this isn't so bad. We all get it written down?
Yeah.
All right. We have some pretty straightforward examples to start off with. So it says find the area of the trapezoid. So we're literally just going to plug in to our formula and crunch out the numbers, okay? So we'll drop down that half. What's our height?
5.
Yep. Height's 5. And in parentheses, what are our 2 bases?
6.
Woo!
Didn't you just do 6 times 5 and then do the 2 times 5 divided by 8?
You could, but that just seems kind of like a little bit more steps than you would have to take.
Because it's kind of the same thing as yesterday. Well, it's almost the exact same thing as yesterday.
Yeah. Yep. What I like to do is, what's 5 divided by 2, or what's half of 5? 2.5. So I get rid of that fraction right away since we don't really like fractions typically. And then I simplify this by adding. So what's 6 plus 8?
14.
Yep. And then we just multiply it out. 2.5 times 14.
53. No,
Is that what it is? 53?
55.
35. 35 inches squared.
I think I have numbers.
That's okay. You're fine. If you want to type the whole thing in your calculator, you could. So you could practice that, typing this whole thing in your calculator. The only thing is your calculator is only as smart as you type it in. So if you type it in wrong, it's going to give you the wrong answer. So if you wanted to type this into your calculator, I'd write it like this. 0.5 is the same as a half times 5 times 6 plus 8. So if you want to type that into your calculator, you should get 35. You want to try that right now? You can see. Did it work? So yeah, either way, you'll get the right answer as long as you type it in right. Oops. Okay, let's try another example. What is our height on this one? 7. And then our 2 bases are what?
7-11.
7-11. Has anyone ever been to a 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
I haven't. Is it pretty great? You get a slushie?
Nope.
Don't they have big slushies there?
Yeah, they do.
Not that great.
It just stinks really bad. Yeah, they usually smell.
Where were you guys at when you went to one?
Oh,
Oklahoma?
Daytona and Santa Monica.
Yeah, so I don't think they're anywhere around the Midwest, are they?
Yeah.
I guess all
One
like
was
on
in
the coast, right?
California.
What's that?
No.
The one in California and the one in Florida.
So you
We
grew
had
up with
Quick
them?
Stops, we had 7-Elevens, we had Wicker Maxes, we had.
Basically everything that we don't have here.
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah.
much, Jack in the
North
Box.
Dakota's kind of like
Jags and Bucks.
lacking.
Jack in the Box, is that like In and Out?
It's better.
It's
better.
It is like fast food, but like superior fast food.
Wait, that is?
Whataburger is way
It is?
Whataburger is
I don't think I ever
great.
had a burger.
Waterburger, is that like 2 buns and you like put a water bottle in between?
No, it's just a good
It's a
burger.
burger place.
Is it still like fast food? Like can you go through a drive-through?
Yeah.
It's something.
They have drive-through, they have sit-down.
Yeah. Slim Pickens up here. Not a lot going on.
Oh, does anyone know what a Maverick is? Yeah. One person?
Yeah, I live next to one actually up in Wyoming.
Yeah, those are more like down more on the US.
Is it like another fast food place?
No, it's a
like
gas station.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
kind
gas
of like a gas station.
Okay.
It's a better version of a gas station.
Better version of a gas station. It's kind of like more of a convenience
I
store.
got 63.
For this one? Oh, okay. What's half of 7?
3.5.
3.5. And then 7 plus 11? 18. Okay, well, you guys multiply that out for me.
I've got a question. Do you all know what an ice cream truck is?
Yes. Who doesn't?
We have those.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I think it's called Mr. Freeze,
I have
the one that's around here.
I chased ice cream for 2 miles for some reason, like on the way back.
Is it 63?
So,
His 63.
Okay, you guys get a head start on the next one. I want to see if you can set it up on your own without me. Go, and we'll compare. Do the last one.
She says that's like
It is way easier to sit like this.
Just thank you so much.
I'm so last. 25 times 4.
Yes, here. Yep. It's very 2.5 of 5 is
I don't
2.5.
also I don't know if
That's
you
right.
noticed, but I've been playing the hunter called
And then parentheses.
It's not. I hunt.
Yeah.
It's more interesting than actually
Because it wins
hunting.
half of 7.
Because when you're hunting, okay, so I sat in
3.5. That's why I
You
got
and
that
Dad sat
3.5.
in a spot for a whole week looking for elk. But we had cow tags on the girl elk. We sat there for a whole week, and the only ones we saw was the last day we were allowed to hunt, and they just ran to the area. But we saw 2 massive bull elks, like trophy worthy. And you're like,
You guys get 75? Me either. What'd you get?
I got
50.
I got 50. Why did you say 75?
Just want to make sure you guys are paying attention. You're okay at 50?
You said I thought we got it wrong.
Yeah, joke.
But I like how that's like in case people are like, oh yeah, I got that. We're
This is
bringing
12.
that back.
8 plus 12. You have 2. It should be 12.
Oh.
Okay. Are we ready to work backwards?
Nope.
Sure,
I'm joking. Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be
Flip the page.
We're going backwards now.
We're working backwards and looking for the missing measure.
We're looking backwards, baby.
So on this one, we're missing our what? Our height.
This and our height.
So let's plug everything in and see what we can do. So our area is 77. So that goes in for A. We don't know our height, so we're gonna leave it as H. And then what are our bases?
So we're gonna do some algebra.
We were gonna have to algebra our way out of this.
Shoot.
And it looks terrible, but it's not.
I don't like this already.
Can't do anything with that 77 yet, so just drop it down. We can't really do anything with our half yet, so let's just bring it down as well, or our h.
But can you, can you distribute the H? Or what?
You could, but that's just more work than you need to do. But what is 8 plus 14?
22.
22. 22. Any Taylor Swift fans?
Nope.
Thank you, girl. Okay. Now what's half of 22?
11.
11. So now we have 11h, and now this is pretty easy to solve.
Just
Divide out.
7.
That's it.
It's 53.
7h.
Yo, I come up with a conclusion.
Thank you. Yeah, that's 11.
What if we did 77? What if we did 77 divided by 22?
You could, and then multiply it by half, or multiply it by 2 in the end.
Mhm.
You sure could.
Well, anyway.
You just might not get a whole number and you take 77 divided by 22. You would get decimal, but that's okay. That's another way to do it.
Hold on, so 77 times 22
Divided by 22
divided by 22.
times 2 should give you 7.
2. Yep, it's 7.
Yep.
That's so much easier.
All right, let's do another one.
Thank you.
This time, what are we missing? A base. So let's plug in. We have 39.
That only works with height.
Yep, equals a half. What is our height?
6.
6. We don't know our first b, so I'm just going to call it b.
Wait, oh, shoot.
And then what's our other base? All right, we got it.
I'm yawning.
Again, let's drop down that 39. Don't really want to do anything with that guy yet. So what's half of 6?
3.
3. So now what do you guys want to do?
I would distribute them.
That's what I would do too. Right, do you guys remember distributing with the little like archy marked rainbow things? Yep, 3 times b is 3b. 3 times 8 is 24.
Subtract 24.
Subtract 24, that's exactly right. 15. 17. Yep, divide by 3, we should get b equals 5.
Is it the same thing on the other side?
It's probably going to be the same.
Yeah, the next one is just like that, so you guys want to get a head start and see if you can do it? It's just like this one, just different numbers. So see if you can use this as a guide, and we'll compare. Yeah. Oh, no, sorry. First, I would finish this off as half an 8. Yeah.
You know, I was about to get mad at you.
Now I
I forgot what to do first.
It's okay. I'll start putting
Is it
some.
parentheses first?
1 second, buddy. I'll see what we have.
Yeah, it's parentheses again.
I would have taken half of 8 first, after you plugged everything in.
So you don't have to divide it by 2 after?
Nope. Then you should have got 4, right? And then distribute.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we kind of similar?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then what'd you do?
Subtract 52.
Perfect. So 50 or 84 minus 52 should be what, 32?
Yep.
Divide that by 4.
And we get
8.
B8. Are we kind of close?
Yeah.
Should be paid in. Would pay to the host.
Ready for the last one?
Sure.
Yeah.
Find the approximate area of Nevada.
Nevada.
Has anyone been to Nevada?
Yes, I've been to every state except 2.
Wow, that is
Where's that?
incredible.
What? What's that?
Florida and Virginia.
Well, that seems very random to go to all the other ones around there, but not those two.
Well,
No offense. I was thinking you were gonna say like Alaska or Hawaii or something, since those are so.
no, actually no. I haven't been to. No, I've been to Virginia, Alaska, and Florida. I haven't been to.
Gotcha.
I've been to Hawaii.
Yeah.
I had to drive across the U.S.
Well, that's fun.
Alaska ain't all good.
No?
Alaska
Just
is
the fishing.
and the hunting.
Well, yeah, that too.
The hunting's good. I want to go hunt.
The people suck.
Oh, boy. Easy over there.
They do.
Do you think the people
are
suck
rude
there?
Well, you should go up there and go in the grocery store.
I think people are very nice
Yeah,
here.
the people are not rude here. The people are not rude here. Go literally everywhere else in the U.S. Okay, you won't get treated as good as you do here. Trust
Well,
me.
that's good to
No,
know.
you
No, not even close.
People are here like nice here. North Dakota nice. That's what they say.
Cody, do you agree that we're nice here? Is that what you're saying, or do you disagree?
I would say on a level of like niceness where I grew up, it's like down here. Here is like up here.
Uh-huh.
Like, yeah.
Like I
I'd
went to
rather be in a
Arizona.
mean place so that if you
Addie,
go
no.
to another place, then you're not like
They have,
bullied.
they have like
Yeah.
specific rules that you have to follow there. Like you know how you can just look at people and wave hi at them. Here you can't do that.
Really?
And
Yeah.
I probably not fit in very well. I'm like the weirdo who's walking my dog, who's like waving at all the cars.
people think you're crazy.
I might be. All right, let's finish this last one. Do you guys even see how it's a trapezoid and how it's like rotated on its side?
We're not trying to find the actual.
So what would our height be out of these three numbers?
What? 511.
Yes. And then our bases would be
205 is base 1 and 511 is base 2.
all right. Let's plug them in. Plug them in.
I got it.
Overachiever.
I think it's a pretty large number.
9, 2, 5, 5,
Okay, what's half of 309?
52.
A little more, way more.
154.5.
That's it. And then 205 plus 511?
716.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And then if we multiply those together,
110,622.
did I write that down right?
Yes, you did.
No, we should Google it. What is the actual area of Nevada? Does anyone have a phone?
Hey Siri,
Yeah, that's Siri.
what's the area of Nevada?
Nevada has an area of 110,572 square miles.
We were close.
Wow,
Wow.
we're within 100. That's pretty accurate.
You have that little chunk there, and they have some on top.
Yeah, that's probably why we're too big. So the, like those like this dead space.
Then on
Good
the
call.
left a little bit.
Yeah. Over here. Up here. Cute. Okay. We're doing the purple worksheet, folks.
No,
Oh, it's calculator work. It's not white work.
it's easy.
Looks like this, guys. It's right. Purple has a bunch of trapezoids.
How did they do this to us?
What's that?
How did they do this?
We should cross out 13, 14, 15.
We are gonna cross off. Let's cross
We
off.
should cross out 16 through 20.
So we're gonna cross off 17 through 20.
Okay. Better than nothing.
We're gonna cross out 17 through 20. The other ones aren't so bad.
Cross off 15.
I will start it with you if you'd like, or you don't have to listen to me and you can just get going on your own. Okay, number 1 through 3, we're just finding the heights and the bases. You're not even finding the areas. Don't do more work than you have to. So number 1, what's your height? 6. And then what's one of our bases?
7.
And what's the other base?
7.
Ooh,
No.
what would this whole
15.
bottom be?
15.
15. And that's it. Don't do more work than you have to. That's all they want.
Oh, that's all.
That's all they want.
Oh, that's easy.
Now they're trying to trick you. What's your height on this one?
Oh.
Ooh, you guys are good. Wow. It's not 13. It's 12.
Oh, shoot, I put 12.
One of our bases is
9.
9. The other one is
19.
amazing. Okay. Number 3, our height is
8.
8. What's one of our bases?
11.
Yep. And our bottom base?
6.
So up to here is 6, but then we have to add that 11.
7.
So then we do get 17.
The batches.
Is there one 4 through 9 that you want me to do with you? Just finding the area? 4 through 9?
Yeah, if you just do like 10.
4 and 10?
Example, yeah.
Let's just do
Sure.
4 through 9.
Well, no, I think you guys don't need me 4 through 9. I'll do one of them with you.
Yeah, 13 too.
Yeah, that's fine. I just want to make sure everyone has these top 3 down, and then I'll join you.
We should do 13.
13? Okay. Okay, 4 is pretty straightforward. Let's pick one of these bottom ones to do the area together of. 7, 8, or 9?
9.
9? Okay. Okay, what's our height on this trapezoid?
7. Oh, shoot, wrong trapezoid.
We're at 9.
15.
15, yep.
Oh.
Okay, what would this top base right here be?
14.
Yep, so it's the same as this guy.
I do that.
And then this whole bottom,
30.
3.
good job, yep, 30.
Mental maps.
Okay, half of 15 is,
1.5.
yep. What about 14 plus 30?
44.
44. And I don't remember what that is off the top of my head.
She knows that she just wants us to do work.
Do I'm sorry. Thank you, Cody. 330. Mike, what was the other one you wanted us to do?
Or
13.
13 on the back? Okay. Let's go to the back. Did everyone get down 9? Yeah, okay. 13. So these ones you just have to break it up into shapes so we know how to find the area. So this is just 2 trapezoids on top of each other, right? So let's find the area of one of them. So what's the height of this trapezoid here?
12.
12. So half times 12. Okay, what would our top base be? 16. And our bottom base?
30.
30.
so let's get one of them and multiply it by 2.
Yes. Half of 12 we know is 6. What's 16 times 30, or plus 30? 46. We multiply those together. 276. So this one's 276, and this one's 276. So what's our total? for that whole window that they're calling it.
552.
522?
Yeah, 552.
Oh, 52.
552.
552. Yep. Numbers are hard today for me. Not looking good. Okay. You guys go back, fill in the ones you skipped. Let me know what I can do for you. Work together.